living a life of crime on the run. A brush to a gun to paint these states green and red. Everybody freeze, nobody move. Put the money in the bag.